I have worked in HR for over 13 years. I specialize in onboarding, talent acquisition, HR administration, and payroll. I don't have a ton of knowledge on or about benefits, but I am learning. I also learned through my own personal experience with short term disability. So I decided to share what I have learned. And my advice is if you enroll in any benefits with your employer, try to choose the disability insurance benefits. My husband enrolled our family in the medical, dental, vision portion under his employer's insurance. We thought, looking at and reviewing everything, we thought this was a better option for our family. And so I had ended up doing the others under my employer. For me was short-term disability that I pay out of my paycheck. Okay. And so that's what I want to talk about today. What is disability insurance? Disability insurance provides replacement pay when an employer or you as an employee is unable to work due to illness or a disability. It is not sick time. It is not PTO or paid time off. What I learned is that, too, that your employer is not supposed to force you into using your PTO when you're on disability insurance. There are different types of disability insurance. So there are three types. It is short term disability, long term disability, and there is state mandated disability insurance. I'm going to first talk about the short term and long term disability. And the short term and the long term disability are based on the length of coverage. Both of them has an elimination period. Personally, and to be completely transparent, this year I have been. This is my third time being on short term disability insurance. So, and the last time I remember, I think I had an elimination period. I think it was like 14 days or something, like 7 day. They determine how that is. Again, I'm not a disability or benefits person, so I am learning as I go. Short term or long term disability coverage is only a certain percentage of your salary or your hourly pay. Usually, short term disability can be between 50 and 70% of your wages. So you're not getting a full check, but you're getting something. And I will say, through personal experience, it was tough for me to them down. My employer at the time was giving 60%. Long term disability insurance provides regular income at a longer elimination. So you may have 714 for short term. I think some of it that I researched may be like, a month or so. I don't know because I have never done long term disability and pray that me, you, or whoever watches does not have to do it. You can be on long term disability up to it can go on for years or up until retirement. It just I guess depends on the policy that your company has selected. There is also state mandated insurance, and this is only available in some states. Some states have created disability insurance benefits for employees who are unable to work for non-job related situations such as illness, injuries, pregnancy, and childbirth. This is a state mandated program that provides a partial wage. Right now, I don't know if it's more, but the states that provide a state mandated uh, disability is California, Hawaii, New Jersey, New York, Puerto Rico, and Rhode Island. For these states to be eligible for disability insurance, you will have to be unable to perform your job duties for 8 consecutive days. And the maximum duration for disability insurance benefits it is usually 26 weeks, except for Rhode Island, which is 30 weeks, and California, our old special California, is 52 weeks. So it depends on the state. Also, to be eligible worker, you must have paid into the state plan for a minimum of 20 calendar weeks. That is very important. Again, my advice is if you enroll in your employer benefits, choose the disability insurance benefits, which is the short term disability, long term disability, and if applicable, the state mandated insurance. Because this is going to be a great benefit if you so happen to get sick and you can't perform your job duties. And that's what exactly happened to me. With sickness is always unexpected. So I didn't expect to get sick. I was always healthy. And I hate to say the word sick, but I am glad that I was enrolled in that benefit because it did help, even though it's not a full check, it did actually help with something. My dad always says a little money is better than no money. Okay. So be sure to subscribe and follow me. Even if you're on YouTube, if we're on TikTok, if we're on Facebook, make sure you follow me. Learn more about my services, digital downloads, my e-learning courses on my website. Okay. Until next time.